Greetings everybody, Connor McLean here, and this is my portfolio review. So I'm going to use Wix for this website because I'm comfortable using Wix. I've used it in the past. I'm currently enrolled in JTC 372, so I want to keep using what I'm comfortable with to learn more things like HTML and CSS. In terms of branding, my website that I have now is kind of modern looking, but it's more darker. I use some darker background and images and stuff, and so I want to refresh it, update it, make it more clean, a little more sleek. And I wanted to go with this color scheme that I built. I like the lighter white and gray with a little bit of dark gray, and then green is my favorite color. So just incorporate that in some of the accent points of the website. Looking to make it sleek, modern, but catchy so that when people arrive, they're not just bored right off the bat. I went through the font list and I really like Century Gothic. I think it's a clean looking font, but nothing too wild. In terms of organization, my current site is set that the entry site, so when you first arrive, it's my name, and then when you scroll down, it goes to skills with bars that load as you scroll through. Things like Adobe Suite, Microsoft, Wix, stuff like that, and then I have languages in there as well. I speak German and English. And then it goes into my portfolio and then a resume and then a contact at the end. So I kind of want to keep that. I like how it's set up. After college, I want to continue to better my site, both with development and then adding things to it, as well as using it as an application tool and a portfolio to show to prospective employers. For the portrayal, I want it to be creative. Want it to portray that I'm creative, open to new ideas, also organized, but then I'm also open to learning and bettering myself with programs, work activities, and stuff like that. Thanks.